Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you my flan recipe. I use this for my mini flan. The ingredients are
Condensed milk, cream cheese, a pan, 5 eggs, evaporated milk, vanilla, whatever that is, flour with sugar.
let's get to it. I use the scale and measuring spoons. To start the recipe, let's set our scale to grams. Then we add the container, let's set it back to 0. Now you add all your ingredients in the container. And now that we have everything in there, we're gonna start to mix it. Shake it, shake it. My favorite part. Let's go ahead and turn on your oven at 320 Fahrenheit degrees. Here I'm setting up the pan with the caramel. I already have the recipe uploaded in my other TikTok video. But before I add the flan batter into the pan, I like to strain it a few times, which decreases the risk of air bubbles getting stuck in my flan.